Simply close your eyes. Feel that you are deeply and completely connected to the center of Earth. Center of Earth, which is a big fireball. Allow this fireball to move in your spine, up and down. Just allow this fireball to move in your spine, up and down at tremendous speed. Just feel it, feel it, feel it. This fireball is moving in your spine up and down, creating tremendous, miraculous, enormous amount of energy. Just feel it, feel it, feel it. That's right. That's right. Just feel it right here, right now. Just feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. This fireball is moving in your spine. Yeah, this is creating tremendous, enormous, miraculous amount of energy in each cell, every nerve, every bone, every single blood vessel of your body, even in your nail and hair. Just feel it, feel it, feel it. Feel this tremendously enormous, miraculous, enormous amount of energy in your body right here, right now. As you are sensing these energies, yes, that's right. Just visualize a big TV screen in front of you, and in this TV screen, there's popping 333 now, 222 now, 11111. Now your feet are relaxed, your calf muscles are relaxed, your knees are relaxed, your thighs are relaxed. That's right. Just allow this relaxation energy to move through your body, from your feet to your calf, to your knees, to your thigh, to your hips. That's right, that's right. Feel it. Feel in your spine, in your stomach, in your chest, in your hands, in your shoulder, in your neck, in your face, in your head. Each single cell of your body is feeling this relaxation happening. As you are breathing in, you are feeling this relaxation. As you are breathing out, you are feeling this relaxation. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Allow this relaxation to happen as this fireball is moving in your spine up and down, creating this tremendous, enormous, miraculous amount of energy, which is creating a yin and yang, the masculine and feminine energy balance in your body, and creating this relaxation feeling in your feet, in your calf muscles, in your knee, in your thigh, in your hips, in your stomach, in your shoulder, in your chest. That's right. In your hands, in your neck, in your face, in your head. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Just feel this relaxation feeling. Now draw a circle in your body. That's right. Draw a circle in your body where you are feeling pain, where you are suffering. Just draw a circle in your body. Visualize your body in front of you in this TV screen, and just draw a big circle on your body and just focus. Breathe in, this part will be relaxed. Breathe out, this part will be relaxed. Breathe in, relaxation. Breathe out, relaxation. Just feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. This relaxation at tremendous speed, healing your body, receiving the earth energies. But now we need the other elements. That's right. The sky, the divine energy. Just allow the skyly divine energy to flow through your head. You are receiving sky energy on your head right now, right here. And you are receiving earth energy from the center of earth. Just receive these both energy together and let it heal the body part that you circled right now, right here. Breathe in and breathe out. As you are breathing in, you are receiving tremendous, miraculous, enormous amount of energy of healing, which is healing the part that you circled. As you are breathing out, you are removing all the pain. You are just clearing. You are just deactivating all the processes that are happening in your body that is hurting this part of your body. Allow it to happen. Just remove it, remove it, remove it. Breathe in, receive, breathe out, remove. 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 Breathe in, receive, and breathe out, remove. That's right, that's right, that's right. Just breathe in, breathe out. Just create this tremendous, miraculous, enormous amount of energy in your body. That's right. Now I want silence for next 2 minutes. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, and heal the circled part of your body. Now you can slowly open your eyes.